I just came back from a weekend conference not too long ago, and the theme actually was rooted and grounded in love. It was really a powerful time in God's presence, and we had the buffet of the word. We had the word of God coming in different forms and shapes and sizes. We had sermons, we had breakout seminars, we had symposiums, we had youth meetings. It was wonderful. It was truly a powerful weekend. A lot was said and a lot was taught, but I caught one thing. One thing touched me and it's made an impression in my heart. I discovered that it is possible to show love to other people even though you are in need of love. It is possible to express genuine love to somebody else even though you haven't received love from anybody. It is possible to pray for somebody else to have children even though you don't have children. That's love in action. It is possible to give to somebody who is in need out of the little you have, but you're giving to them because you know that they don't have as much as you have. It's possible to pray for other people even though that you know genuinely that you are the one in need of prayer. This is an expression of true love that's rooted in God. It's my prayer and my desire that we challenge ourselves as individuals to not wait for other people to show love to us, but rather we initiate the cycle and show love to other people. Rather than bombarding people with stories and, give your life to Christ and, just like forcing and use just there's one universal language, and I understand that many people understand this language: love, genuine love. All the other things can come through, but I believe our first approach to talking to people about God and talking to people about the goodness of God is to demonstrate the love of God by giving our time, our energy, our resources to people. Sometimes you may not even have anything, but your presence itself, just being there to talk to somebody, is more than enough. Love, love, love. It was a wonderful weekend. I thank God for all we've learned, and it's time to now, sit down and digest and begin to exercise all these different things that we've learned. I pray that we will begin to live upright lives, demonstrating the love of God in our daily lives. God bless you.